Hello beautiful people, I am here because I would like to show you the Good and the Beautiful Pre-K curriculum. I recently got this package and I was like, hold up, let's be patient. So I opened it, I looked through it, but I haven't gone through it. I want to share it with you so you know what you'll be getting on your pre-K curriculum. I pay $150 about for the set that I got, and it's because I got the handwriting doodle part 1, part 2, the kindergarten prep, the book bundle for the Field and Flowers science set, and I got bird, insects, and mammals workbook set. I ended up getting a little bit more, but I know that this is going to be very useful throughout the year for when he starts going to school at home. It's so weird to say it just because we're recently doing this transition and it's very different in a good way. I'm so excited. I'm happy to be able to stay home and help him out. So as soon as I was able to talk to my husband into getting something like this, my teaching heart came out. I was like, super excited. But let's get going because I can talk forever. This is the set of the birds, mammals, and insects board books. This is more like the science curriculum part. The add-on to it, it's simple. There's not that many words, it's nothing crazy, which I think it's great because once he starts learning how to read by himself, this is gonna be very useful so he can do it on his own. And if I'm not saying them correctly, I'm sorry, I'm from a different country. I have an accent, but there you go. Then we have the doodle and pre-writing for littles part 1, and I also got the part 2. The one thing I will say is that to me, for them to start writing, because they're so little, I think they need something bigger, but we'll see how he does once I introduce this to him. Let's see what they have in here. So they teach you how they start with lines, and it slowly progresses to following more patterns, which is kind of similar to what he's already doing. So I think we're gonna go through this pretty quickly. He's gonna love this page because it has rockets. And then we have the part 2, and it says includes bonus sections. Okay, so this is a little bit smaller, more details. Now I got the kindergarten prep. We're obviously not gonna need this anytime soon, but I just wanted to get it because I was able to get a discount, because I think if you purchase it around this time, because it's early before school starts, I think I got 15% off. So I just went and got all the things that I thought I might need, and so that if we were able to finish this early, I wanted to be prepared for kinder prep. Okay, so this is more reading, and like I said, I haven't gone through any of this, so I am doing them with you, and I will have to go into more details. From what I understood, I watch a lot of TikToks, and a lot of people liked this preschool set, so then it got me curious to learn more about it. The one thing I continue to hear from different videos was the fact that you don't need much of a lesson plan prep because it tells you there exactly what to do, even though I will look through it for the week and review it and see what the materials are, and if I can implement other activities for him to play. Just encourage that teachable moment plus a play activity that will kind of help him remember, if that makes sense. Preschool course book, as it goes by units, and then every day there's lesson 1, lesson 2, so it kind of gives you an overview of what you're gonna need on the book, and then it goes on each section. Okay, so it will answer all of my questions, but I am excited. It looks really good actually just by looking through them. very engaging, and I think I will be learning with my son honestly, because I mean there are things that I don't remember from when I was younger, so this is gonna be a good experience for him and I. This is the pairing guide. Then it comes with the science stories. So this is all about the stories that we'll be using throughout the class, the course. You know what I mean. And then we have this preschool practice sheets. So you go through them and you can just rip them out and use what you need as you continue to move along with the class book. I can't say that word, course book. And then these are the games, the folder activity set, and that's it. That's all I got. Really, I'm looking forward to teaching my son. I think that one-on-one is gonna be really helpful for him. I was a little hesitant and nervous because he's very social, but since I stopped working, I found ways to continue to have him socialize. So I feel like I'm not depriving him from the opportunity to play. So I take him to the park, I take him to the mall, because they have like a little play area for kids, and I have him right now doing different activities. So like he's always engaging his little brain, his body, and getting all that energy out. So I haven't felt like the need to like, oh, okay, I'm gonna struggle with him at home and having to teach him. He's very active. So that's one thing that I was like, okay, maybe homeschooling might be better for him, because then he will have that one-on-one, and I don't want him to be labeled at school or like be told that, you know, he is having like some type of behavioral issues, because he doesn't. He's just a kid, he's a boy, and he's very playful and active and wants to be doing a lot of things. And schools now, I feel like they're like, you need to sit down, you can go do this, you can't do that. Like it's always no, no, no. And I want him to have that freedom to be able to explore, if that makes sense. I hope that this does give you an idea on what you're gonna get when you buy your Good and the Beautiful curriculum for preschool. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you would like to see more content like this. Have a good day. Bye.